That's it, Brian?
Yes.
So guys, this is where I got a mini fridge. It can't be too loud because my parents are sleeping. And my uncle's using the lounge and he doesn't know how to do videos. Got it yesterday and I was at the shops and I said in this clip here. It's over here. So we got a few drinks in there. We got a little caramel bar, up and go. We got some water, nothing much. Oh, it's nice and cold in there. Look there, Medea. So that's really it. There's not much stuff in it, but it's quite big. It's bigger than it looks. So I will see you guys when we're at the supermarket. I'll see you guys when I'm at the supermarket. So, as you know, I said I would record it in the shops. Kind of forgot. But I got heaps and heaps of stuff, as you could see. And, yeah. Took a photo of it, and I did the thumbnail with it. And I got it for my Christmas present. My uncle decided to give it to me early. I'm not complaining, so I'm going to be the first probably 1 or 2 hours replying to your guys' comments, and if you guys want today, I'll upload another video on me wrestling my pillows. No, I'll do wrestling figures wrestling because I have a Money in the Bank briefcase for it. So if you guys want to see that, just comment that down below. But I just want to show you guys my mini fridge. And I will be showing you guys how to make a bed later today. So if you say yes, I will make 3 videos today. But just know, if I make 3 videos today, then I won't be making another video in 3 weeks. So but I will definitely make a video on Christmas Day, and I'll make a video in the new year. So I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.